Welcome back. Ready for another amazing adventure? Today we're going to explore a country with a fascinating history, incredible landmarks, and mummies. Can you guess where we're going? That's right, we're off to Egypt. Egypt is a country located in the northeastern part of Africa. It's famous for its rich history, which goes back thousands of years. But before we dive into history, let's talk about some fun facts about Egypt. Did you know that Egypt is home to one of the 7 wonders of the ancient world? It's called the Great Pyramid of Giza, and it's a giant triangle-shaped structure built as a tomb for Pharaoh Khufu. Egypt has a river that's super important. It's called the Nile River, and it's the longest river in the world. It's over 4,000 miles long. People in Egypt rely on the Nile for water. It has fertile land that people use to grow yummy crops like pomegranates. The calendar they used in Egypt is one of the oldest in the world, with 12 months of 30 days each, plus an extra 5 days at the end of the year. King Tutankhamun, also known as King Tut, was a pharaoh. His tomb is famous for the incredible treasures and artifacts it contained, including the golden mask. He was only 9 years old when he was made pharaoh. A large part of Egypt is covered by the Sahara Desert, one of the hottest and driest deserts in the world. It's a place of adventure and unique landscapes. Now, let's travel back in time to ancient Egypt. The people of ancient Egypt built grand temples, created incredible art, and left us with mysterious hieroglyphics. Hieroglyphics are a type of writing that the ancient Egyptians used. They look like pictures, and they're found on the walls of temples and tombs. Ancient Egyptians also made beautiful art, like paintings and statues. They loved to show stories from their history and their gods through art. Okay, now it's time to explore the Great Pyramid and learn about mummies. Are you ready? The Great Pyramid of Giza is huge. It's made of big stone blocks. People from all over the world travel to Egypt to see this amazing landmark. Have you ever heard of mummies? Mummies are a bit spooky, but they're also super cool. Egyptians mummified their pharaohs and important people to preserve them for the afterlife. They wrapped them in special cloth called linen and put them in tombs. Before we go, let's visit the Sphinx and learn a bit about modern Egypt. The Sphinx is a statue with the body of a lion and the head of a pharaoh. It's over 4,500 years old and is another one of the most famous landmarks in Egypt. Today, Egypt is a modern country with bustling cities like Cairo. People live in houses, go to school, and enjoy delicious Egyptian food like falafel, kebabs, baklava, and koshari. That's it for our exciting adventure in Egypt. I hope you enjoyed learning about this amazing country's history, pyramids, mummies, and more. If you want to see more cool videos like this, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and ring that notification bell. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you on our next adventure. Bye for now.